Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for easy, discreet, and effective home security, light bulb cameras might be exactly what you need. In today's video, we're breaking down the best light bulb security cameras for 2026, featuring our top 5 picks and reviews. We tested them for video quality, coverage, ease of installation, and overall performance so you can find the perfect one for you. On number 1 is the Waseku Light Bulb Security Camera. Is a wireless outdoor-ready camera disguised as a light bulb, combining home surveillance with 360 degrees coverage. It supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for flexible connections and captures 2K resolution video for clear daytime and night imagery. Built-in motion and human detection helps trigger alarms only when needed, reducing false alerts, and color night vision paired with a spotlight means footage stays detailed even in low light. You can use two-way talk to listen and speak through the camera, and it's Alexa compatible for hands-free monitoring with smart home routines. Pros: 2K video quality with color night vision, human-aware motion alerts, two-way audio, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and Alexa compatibility. Cons: as a bulb camera, its field of view and placement are tied to fixtures, Wi-Fi performance impacts reliability, and advanced AI features may depend on the companion app. In real-world use, it keeps an eye on wide areas with minimal hardware and installation fuss. Overall, it's a good value for users wanting easy-to-install outdoor surveillance with smart home integration and solid image quality. On number 2 is the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera. 2.4 GHz, is a 360 degrees wireless indoor/outdoor surveillance camera disguised as a light bulb, offering 2K, 4MP, full-color video for clear monitoring both day and night. It uses traditional screw-in bulb installation, so you don't need tools or wiring, just twist it into a standard light socket and connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The camera features motion detection with instant alerts, an audible alarm when activity is detected, and two-way audio so you can hear and speak through the unit via your phone. Color night vision keeps scenes vivid even in low light, and Alexa compatibility lets you view live feeds on Echo Show or Fire TV devices. Pros: sharp 2K full-color video, easy tool-free installation, 360 degrees coverage, motion alerts and audible alarm, two-way communication, and smart Alexa support. Cons: limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no 5 GHz support, performance depends on signal strength, and wide-angle video can show some edge distortion. In everyday use, it's simple to set up and gives trustworthy, detailed footage in various lighting conditions. Overall, it's a great value choice for homeowners who want all-around, easy-to-install wireless monitoring with smart home integration. On number 3 is the Alkivision 2K Light Bulb Security Camera. Wireless outdoor, is a 360 degrees all-in-one surveillance solution that screws into a standard light socket and provides high-resolution 2K video for clear monitoring of outdoor areas. Its AI motion detection helps differentiate relevant activity and trigger alerts, while full-color night vision keeps footage bright and detailed even in low light. The camera features auto-tracking that follows movement across the scene and an integrated siren alarm to deter unwanted visitors. You can store recordings locally on SD card or use supported cloud storage options, and setup is simple with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, no complex wiring required. Pros: sharp 2K monitoring, 360 degrees coverage with auto-tracking, intelligent motion alerts, full-color night vision, easy installation via light socket, and flexible SD/cloud storage. Cons: limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no 5 GHz support, performance depends on Wi-Fi strength and signal quality, and some advanced features require app setup and permissions. In everyday use, it provides reliable outdoor coverage with bright night footage and responsive alerts. Overall, it's a good value choice for homeowners wanting easy-to-install, intelligent outdoor monitoring with solid image quality and smart tracking features. On number 4 is the Gen of 2K Light Bulb Security Camera. Is a wireless indoor/outdoor surveillance camera that installs easily by screwing into a standard light socket, E26, eliminating the need for extra mounting hardware. It records in 2K resolution, higher clarity than 1080p, and its 355 degrees wide view rotation covers nearly the entire area around it, helping reduce blind spots. Built-in human detection and smart motion alerts help you stay informed of real activity while reducing false triggers, and full-color night vision keeps footage bright and detailed even in low light. The camera supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for flexible, faster connectivity, and Alexa compatibility lets you view live feeds on Echo Show or Fire TV devices. Two-way audio enables listening and talking through the unit from your smartphone. Pros: sharp 2K video quality, easy light socket installation, 355 degrees wide coverage, human detection with smart motion alerts, full-color night vision, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and Alexa integration. Cons: performance depends on strong Wi-Fi signal, advanced features require companion app setup, and light socket placement may not be ideal for all angles. In everyday use it's convenient and effective for broad area monitoring with minimal hardware. Overall, it's a great option for homeowners who want clear, intelligent surveillance without complex installation. On number 5 is the Foscam light bulb camera. 3K auto tracking 360 degrees PTZ, is an all-in-one wireless indoor/outdoor security camera that screws into a standard light socket and delivers 3K resolution video for sharp, detailed footage. Its 360 degrees pan-tilt zoom, PTZ, and auto tracking follow moving subjects around the scene, helping ensure nothing gets missed. The 1800 LM dimmable LED floodlight provides bright illumination and enhances full-color night vision, so video stays clear even in low light. Smart motion detection and auto cruise patrol help automate monitoring, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant lets you view live feeds on smart displays. Pros: crisp 3K video quality, auto tracking PTZ coverage, bright dimmable floodlight with color night vision, motion alerts with auto cruise, and Alexa/Google integration. Cons: installation depends on an appropriate light socket and Wi-Fi strength. Advanced features require app setup, and motion tracking can lag in some scenarios. In everyday use it provides wide area coverage with strong illumination and responsive alerts. Overall, it's a solid choice for homeowners who want comprehensive, easy to install surveillance with bright lighting and smart home support.